What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're opening up Evolving Skies Pokemon Center Elite Trainer box. I am super excited. This is the new set that just came out, and I have other Evolving Skies ETB on the way. Now, with the Pokemon Center edition is different from the other edition. Well, one is the box art. This looks really dope, the box art, and it says Pokemon Center. And then the difference is that it has more cards. It has 10 cards instead of 8. And then there's a pin that is inside. So that would be the difference between the Pokemon Center edition is the box art for the cover. So with this new set, we have some really good cards to get. So we have shiny gold cards right here. Definitely want Italian or Cresselia. Looks really dope. So we have some alternate cards, and Rayquaza dragons are back, and I'm hoping to get this one. This is the one I really want. Everybody wants Umbreon alternate. There's a lot of alternates. We have Glaceon, Leafeon, and Sylveon VMAX alternates. Lots of alternates in this set. What else is there? Ooh, another Umbreon. Yeah, there's just a lot of alternates in this set for the evolutions. This Dragonite alternate right here, it looks really dope. Like, there's some really dope alternate arts on here. This Glaceon right here. Yeah, lots of alternates, but that's what we're hoping to get. Are the alternates, nothing else really. If we can get an alternate, that'll be really dope. Yeah, definitely. What I want is the Rayquaza alternate. These two. Alright, let's get started. Here we have this lovely, look at this art. Like, this is so dope. Looks really dope. I can take this off. Alright, here we go. So we have the sleeves. Check that out. Oh yeah, the sleeves are different. That's right. The sleeves are like this, I think. Or unless they're the same. I don't know, but that looks really dope. So we should have 10 cards. It's ripped. Oh my god. Error. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why is that ripped? Okay. What we have is, oh, here's the pin that's inside. We have the card dividers, the damage counters, and then the coin. Oh, it has all the, well, 4 of the EVs for this version of the box. Okay. Let's get started, y'all. I'm really excited. I mean, I hope we can get an alternate today. Let's mix them all up. Here we go. Set that to the side. Here we have is the code card. Anybody plays the game online. Let that focus right there. Okay, that's gone. All right, let's get started. I got my. Let's open this one. That's kind of open. All right. So it's 4 from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if we can get any of the alternates or Rayquaza. Crustle, Rescue Carrier, Drowsy, Scraggy, Feebas, Hitmonchan, Slagoff, Reverse Ampharos, and Lilligant non-hollow. It's alright, first pack. Let's move on to the next one. Plenty of packs left. Here is the code card for anyone that wants it. Y'all notice? Why is my camera like that? Whoa. Okay, cool. It moves. It was kind of following it. That looked weird. One, 2, 3, 4. All right. See if I can focus this. Okay. Fighting Energy, Ribbon Badge, Swellas, Xenia's Resolve, Feebas, Hitmonchan, Slack Off, Pit Lily, Pikachu, Lucky Ice Pop, and Pinsir non-hollow, another grass type. Cool. Alright, no problem. Still got plenty more packs to go. Alright. Let me know in the comments who are y'all's favorite evolution is. Mine would be probably Flareon because of fire. I don't know. Who doesn't like play with fire, huh? Definitely be my favorite is Flareon. Clossifer, Feebas, Hippotus, Lillipup, Nickit, a reverse Seabass, and a hollow Reggie Draco. Cool. Holographic. Alright, next pack. Hoping for a Rayquaza. That's the goal. And I have plenty of ETBs to open. Plenty. 1, 2, 3, 4. As a collector, I like to get, whenever they do box arts like that, I like to get all of them. And I managed to get all of them for pre-order. I have the other version of the regular ETB, not the Pokemon Center, but my Pokemon Center of the other box art is coming. And the reverse. And a Sylveon V Rapid Strike. Alright, we got a card. Looks really dope. Sylveon. Everyone's favorite that I hear the most. People say Sylveon's my favorite. That I hear the most is because of the fairy. Alright. Next pack. Let's get to it. Code card for anybody that plays the game. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get it. Fire. Tentacruel. Rubber Gloves. Floate. Pet Lily. Petatil. Pikachu. Cutie Fly. Hitmonchan. Loaded. Shopping Center. Anybody want to go shopping? And a Sharpedo non-hollow. Alright, how many packs we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 packs. So far, nothing too crazy. I mean, you win some, you lose some. That's just how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sidekick. Boost Shake. Rib Bombi. Carniv. Dweeble. Mareep. Drowsy. Scraggy. Pyro Reverse. And the rare, a Galarian Articuno holographic. Alright. So far we got 2 hollows. Alright, next pack. Let's get it. One, 2, 3, 4. Avalug, Vilgroff, Slack Off, Fabibi, Carnava, the Weeble, Mareep, Wishy Wash, and Sweetcoon V. All right, hey, I like that blue on it. That looks really dope. That blue. All right. 2 V cards, 2 holographics. That's all right. If I can open this, Jesus. Dang. Why am I struggling with this card? I don't know. Here is the code card. 3, 2, 1, and it's gone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip Bloom, Elemental Badge, Herder, Applin, Lillipup, Emolga, Tentacle, Pumpkaboo. Speaking of pumpkins, Halloween's coming, and a Flapple, non-hollow, no problem. So we have 2 packs left. Can we get an alternate art? Any alternate art really would be nice. Or a secret rare. Or the rainbow rares. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Man, I'd be crazy if I pulled the Rayquaza right off the bat on my first ETB. SQ, Squirrelifying Dragon, Pumpkaboo, Rufflet, Lotad, Emolga, Woobat, Hydreigon, and a holographic Kyurem. Wow, we are pulling a lot of holographics in this box ETB over here. At least it's not duplicates. Like, that would have been annoying. Like, first ET box. And okay. Last pack. Can we get some last pack magic, y'all? Can we pull an alternate art? Any of the alternate arts? One, 2, 3, 4. Alright. This is it, y'all. Last pack. Shelgon, Lumbre, Sableye, Teddy Ursa, Mareep, Zora, Tentacle, Galarian Moltres Reverse, and another Flapple. Alright. Not bad for the first ETB. We did get a lot of hollows. We pulled, let's see, 1, 3. So it was basically 50-50. We pulled 5 cards out of 10 packs, so 50-50. See, so it's like kind of like a hit and miss. Not a bad start. I got plenty of ETBs to go. Let me know in the comments what you think of the video, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye.